Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get this color highlighter filter on Instagram. So this is the filter. Okay, select the color on your screen. Likewise, yep. So this is the filter. To get this filter on Instagram, what you have to do, just visit this website. Link to this website I'll give you in the description box below. So here in this website you will see link to the filter. Just tap on the link and open it with Instagram. Okay, and you got the filter. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. See you in the next video.